Kitchen vocabulary: refrigerator, dishwasher, stove, oven, microwave, mixer, toaster, blender, chopping board, chef's knife, cleaver, measuring cups and spoons, kettle, sink, tap, ice cube tray, whisk, can opener, tongs, ladle, spoon, fork, cutlery, rolling pin, bowl, plate, teapot, cup, jug, mug, grater, spice container, glass, jar, spatula, saucepan, frying pan, wok, shears, pot, pressure cooker, chopsticks, rice cooker, mortar, colander, strainer, napkin, oven mitts, apron, tray, peeler, pepper mill, corkscrew.
Please leave a comment if we missed any of them.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like us for more videos.